Hello beautiful people and welcome to Love on Kiss TV. So before we get into this install and review, I did want to give a shout out to Hermosa hair for sending over this beautiful 13x4 HD lace wig. So this is actually a deep wave. I can show y'all real quick the wave up close. And this is just water right now, no product. So if you like big hair, this is one of the things I like about this wig. If you like a big wig, if you wash it, comb through it, and let it dry, the wig does get a lot of volume. The wave is kind of flat right now. I'm fresh out the shower, but this is an honest review. Even though this is sponsored, this is still an honest review. I have been wearing this wig for about a week now. Obviously the clip that you're about to see was the install, and I wanted to show y'all the initial install, but whenever I give y'all the install and review, I want the review to be with me wearing the wig for a while. But luckily I was real busy all last week. The way things turned out, I'm just now actually filming the intro for this video. So this is a real review. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this hair about an 8 out of 10. I take away 2 points because I feel like there's a little bit of shedding more than it needs to be. The hair still feels and looks amazing. It still looks and feels full. This is the ponytail right here. I'll leave the specs and density and length and all that in the description box below. And yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get into the install.